Using public Wi-Fi without a VPN? That's like shouting your passwords in a crowded room. But you don't have to pay for one. Here's how to use a free VPN on your Samsung phone safely. Let's get started. Open Galaxy Store in your Samsung Mobile. Go to search bar and search for S-Secure app. Installed it if already not installed. After installation, now open it. Once app open, now you will find Secure Wi-Fi option. Use toggle button. To enable it, you will get confirmation pop-up. Then tap turn on button. Now wait while setting up free Samsung VPN private service in your Samsung phone. After done, you'll get Max VPN icon on your phone app list. Open Max VPN to check which location VPN connected on your Samsung phone. If you want change location, you can upgrade to paid version. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.